More than 90% of businesses worldwide are small businesses, yet most people still believe starting one is only for big companies with big budgets. That belief no longer matches reality. Today, simple mini machines are quietly changing how people earn money, even from a single room. In this video, I am showing you 14 future-proof mini machines for 2026. These machines can be imported from China or bought online. They are low-cost, high demand, and designed for everyday use. Watch till end because for each one, I will explain how it works, what materials it needs, and the average price you should expect. Let's get started. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Screen glass repair machine. Think about the moment someone drops their phone, the pause, the slow turn, the hope the screen survived. In most cases, the damage is only the glass, not the display underneath. That single detail is why the screen glass repair machine works so well as a business. The machine gently heats the adhesive under the cracked glass so it can be lifted cleanly, almost like peeling a sticker. A new glass layer is then pressed on, leaving a smooth factory-level finish that surprises customers. A dependable machine costs $400 to $700. Supplies include OCA film, replacement glass, wipes, and a compact UV light. The workflow stays calm: heat, lift, clean, laminate, cure. Cracked screens never stop happening. Number 2. CO2 laser engraver machine. There is something satisfying about watching a laser move across wood or acrylic, turning a flat surface into a finished design. A CO2 laser engraver machine is behind many custom products you see online: wooden signs, acrylic keychains, leather tags, and cafe menus. The process is simple. Load your design, place the material, and start the job. There is no heavy setup or loud operation, just steady precision. Materials include wood blanks, acrylic sheets, MDF cutouts, leather strips, and transfer tape. A reliable desktop unit costs $600 to $1,200. Customers range from gift buyers to schools and small brands. The flexibility allows you to switch products without changing the machine. Number 3. Coffee roaster machine. Roasting coffee in small batches has a rhythm to it. The aroma fills the room, the beans crack, and suddenly the product feels personal. A coffee roaster machine gives you full control over flavor, something big brands cannot match. Compact roasters fit on a countertop or small table and rotate beans evenly while heat shapes the roast. You control light, medium, or dark profiles. Inputs stay simple: green coffee beans, bags, labels, and a cooling tray. Most home roasters cost $500 to $900. Customers include offices, neighbors, gyms, barbershops, and market shoppers. The workflow stays relaxed: measure, roast, cool, pack. Coffee is consumed daily, which keeps demand consistent. If these first machines surprised you, the next ones are even more practical. Some of them cost less than $300 and solve problems people deal with every single day. Number 4. Ultrasonic cleaner machine. This machine looks technical until you see it working. It uses tiny vibrations in water to shake dirt out of places you cannot reach by hand. Jewelry, watches, glasses, tools, and small parts come out visibly cleaner without scrubbing. You add water, a mild detergent, place the items in the basket, and start the cycle. Supplies are basic: water, detergent, baskets, and microfiber cloths. Most mid-size machines cost $120 to $200, making it one of the easiest setups. Customers include jewelry owners, salons, mechanics, optical shops, tattoo studios, and technicians. The workflow stays peaceful: load, set the timer, rinse, dry. The before and after result sells itself. Before we move to number 5, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 5. Tire vulcanizing machine. Tire problems usually appear at the worst time: a nail, a small cut, a slow leak. Many drivers dislike replacing a tire when the damage is minor. A tire vulcanizing machine fixes this by using heat and pressure to bond fresh rubber into the damaged area. The repair is strong enough for real road use. Materials include rubber patches, vulcanizing cement, cleaning wheels, and chalk for marking. Compact machines cost $180 to $300. Demand stays steady from drivers, taxis, delivery riders, and local shops. The process is predictable: clean, apply the patch, clamp, heat, cure. It runs quietly, fits in a small space, and turns an annoying problem into a reliable solution. Number 6. Cap heat press machine. Caps never disappear from daily life. Schools use them, gyms use them, delivery teams wear them, small brands sell them, and families order them for events and gifts. A cap heat press machine turns that steady demand into a simple desk-based business. The curved heating plate presses designs evenly onto the cap without wrinkles or distortion. You place the cap, align the artwork, lock the press, and let the heat bond the design into the fabric. Supplies stay simple: blank caps, heat transfer sheets, a basic printer, and optional vinyl. Most reliable machines cost $150 to $300. Customers range from schools to cafes. The workflow stays fast: design, print, align, press, cool. Number 7. Shoe cleaning machine. Shoes collect dust, sweat, rain, mud, and everyday wear faster than almost anything else. Many people damage their shoes trying to clean them by hand. A shoe cleaning machine removes dirt using soft rotating brushes and controlled water flow that cleans deep without stressing the material. Once cleaning is complete, warm air dries the shoes so they are ready to wear. Supplies are minimal: mild detergent, brush attachments, and microfiber cloths. Compact machines usually cost $300 to $700. Customers include sneaker fans, gym users, parents, workers, and commuters. The workflow is effortless. Load the shoes, choose a mode, press start. The visible transformation convinces customers immediately. Everything you have seen so far fits into a small workspace, and each machine turns everyday demand into steady profit without complicated operations. Number 8. Headlight restoration machine. Foggy headlights make cars look older and reduce nighttime visibility. A headlight restoration machine fixes this, using heated vapor that gently restores clarity to plastic lenses. The process begins with light sanding to remove oxidation, followed by cleaning the surface. The vapor is then applied, and as the plastic warms, the haze disappears almost instantly. Supplies include sandpaper pads, cleaning wipes, polishing compound, and vapor solution. Most compact machines cost $80 to $200, making this one of the most affordable automotive tools. Customers include everyday drivers and people preparing vehicles for sale. The workflow stays simple: sand, wipe, vapor, shine. The instant visual result builds trust fast. If this video is helping you see new business ideas clearly, tap the like button and subscribe. More low-cost machines and real income ideas are coming next. Number 9. Lip balm filling machine. Lip balm looks easy until you try making it by hand. Wax cools unevenly, tubes overflow, and the workspace turns messy. A lip balm filling machine solves this by melting the mixture evenly, holding a stable temperature, and filling each tube smoothly without air pockets. Ingredients stay simple: wax base, oils, fragrances, empty tubes, and labels. Once melted, the machine dispenses the blend cleanly into each container. Most tabletop units cost $300 to $600, depending on tank size and nozzle design. Demand comes from beauty buyers, boutiques, market sellers, and gift creators. The workflow stays calm: heat, mix, fill, cool, cap. Consistency makes the product look professional every time. Number 10. Lanyard heat press machine. Lanyards are used everywhere: offices, schools, events, hotels, conventions, gyms, and branded teams. A lanyard heat press machine turns this everyday item into a repeatable product made from a small desk setup. Designs are printed on transfer paper, placed on the ribbon, and pressed under steady heat. The ink bonds into the fibers, so colors stay bright and do not peel or crack. Materials are simple: polyester ribbon, transfer paper, a home printer, and scissors. Compact machines usually cost $250 to $500. Customers include event planners, schools, security teams, and small brands. The workflow stays quick: print, align, press, done. Number 11. Leather sewing machine. Leather items are built to last, but repairing them is difficult without the right equipment. A leather sewing machine with a walking foot system handles thick materials that normal machines cannot manage. It grips the leather from the top, bottom, and needle at the same time, keeping everything steady while stitching through multiple layers. This creates clean, tight seams without slipping or strain. Materials stay simple: leather patches, heavy-duty bonded thread, strong needles, and basic hand tools. Most reliable machines cost $350 to $700, depending on motor strength and frame quality. Customers include people with boots, bags, belts, jackets, and custom leather goods. The workflow stays calm: measure, stitch, reinforce, finish. Number 12. Wax melting machine. Candle making feels relaxing until production increases. Wax overheats, cools unevenly, colors separate, and fragrances burn off. A wax melting machine removes that frustration by holding wax at a steady, controlled temperature. This keeps every batch smooth and consistent. You melt the wax, add fragrance and color, stir gently, and pour without rushing. Supplies include wax blocks, fragrance oils, dyes, wicks, jars, and labels. Most tabletop units cost $180 to $350, depending on tank size and heating power. Customers include gift buyers, decor lovers, aromatherapy fans, and market shoppers. Candles remain in constant demand. The workflow stays predictable: melt, scent, pour, cool. Number 13. Metal engraving machine. Metal engraving sounds complex, but a metal engraving machine using a diamond drag system makes the process simple and clean. There is no heat or sparks, only controlled pressure that scratches permanent designs into metal surfaces. It works well on jewelry, pet tags, watches, keychains, tools, and metal cards. Lines come out sharp and durable. Materials are minimal: metal blanks, polishing cloths, and replacement engraving tips. Most desktop machines cost $300 to $600, depending on precision and frame stability. Customers value engraved items because they feel personal without being expensive. The workflow stays straightforward: secure the item, load the design, engrave, polish. Number 14. Wire cutting and crimping machine. A wire cutting and crimping machine focuses on accuracy and repetition. It measures wire automatically, cuts it to length, strips the ends cleanly, and crimps connectors with consistent pressure. This removes errors caused by manual measuring and uneven cuts. Materials are basic: wire spools, connectors, and organizing trays. Most compact machines cost $400 to $800, depending on automation and motor strength. Customers include electronics repair shops, small manufacturers, audio technicians, car modifiers, and DIY builders. The workflow stays fast and efficient: set the length, feed the wire, press start, finished. It saves time, reduces waste, and produces reliable results every cycle. Small businesses already make up more than 90% of companies worldwide, and these machines prove why that number keeps growing. Each one we covered today is built around low startup cost, simple operation, and constant demand. You do not need a factory, a large team, or years of experience to start. With the right machine, a small space can become a reliable source of monthly income. If you found value in this list, like the video, share it with someone thinking about starting a business, and subscribe for more practical machine-based ideas. Leave a comment if you have questions. I read everyone. I will see you in the next video.